going to be talking about creating standard cycle count plans. We have a separate video that looks at the Smart Count Suite app, which is an addition to what the standard cycle counting is. So this is following the standard cycle counting process. So I'm in my WMS warehouse manager role. Keep in mind, right, your screen up here, your navigation pane might look slightly different depending on the role you're in, but we're going to go to WMS cycle count and create cycle count plans. The other thing that we can do that I think is worth mentioning, we can also create one-time inventory counts if we wanted to do that. That's just a simple screen. It's called inventory count page, where we can set up a one-time count. Maybe this is a month after we've been in NetSuite, we want to issue a full inventory count to make sure that what we have in the system is what's accurately on the floor. We can do that also. So really the first part of creating and sending cycle counts to the mobile device is creating a cycle count plan. So I'm going to give my cycle count plan a name, and I will select a subsidiary. I'm also going to select a location. And then this is other information I can use. I can select this, for department or class, enter memo, and then the account. I can also always assign this cycle count plan to a particular person if I wanted to. So down here is where I can say what types of information on the item record are going to generate or cause this cycle count, an item to be brought into this cycle count. I can use classification, so ABC classification. If I have item families or item groups, I can count entire item families or item groups as well. Or I can just go ahead and select certain items from the list that I want in different cycle count plans. This part of the screen here is where I can cycle count by particular zones. So maybe I just want to cycle count, zone A or zone B. I can tell NetSuite to still count bin rows that don't have zero quantity in there just to make sure that that's what's actually on the floor. I can also count by aisles or bins or even particular item types and vendor if I wanted to do that. So what I'm going to do when I'm ready for this record to be complete is I'm going to click the Save button. And when I click Save, our cycle count record is going to be generated.